Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. I hope you're having a great start to your Friday. Typically today I would be uploading my weekly beauty chit chat, but I wanted to just change it up a little bit today, and I wanted to review a product that I have been testing out for the last couple of weeks. Figured today was as good a day as any to upload my thoughts on that, so let's do it. In full disclosure, these products were sent to me by Dermatology. I am a Dermatology partner. I love so many products from them. You have heard me talking about Dermatology here on my channel for years. Whenever they release a new product, typically they will send me that product to be able to test it out. And I've actually found a few things that I have then subsequently repurchased myself because I fell in love with them. So we are going to be talking about a new SPF product today that Dermatology recently released. If you would like to purchase this product, I will put a link for it in the description box down below, as well as a 20% discount code. If you are in the market for trying something like this, or you're looking for something new, definitely feel free to utilize that. But again, no pressure for me. You know, if it's just that you put this on your list to try later on down the line when you finish another product, that's totally fine too. So I do want to read you guys a little bit about this product, and then I am going to I'm going to show you the 3 different colors that they sent me. There are actually 4 colors in this range, so it should fit the a pretty wide variety of skin tones for sure. And I will give you guys some swatches. I don't have the darkest shades. They sent me the fair, the medium, and the tan, so I will be able to sample these for you on my hands so that you can see the color compared to my skin tone, which is, I'm quite fair. I'm pretty pasty. So, but before we get into that, let's go ahead and read a little bit about this product, and then I will tell you a little bit about what my experience has been. I'll show you a demo, and then we'll move on with our lives. Okay, so this is supposed to visibly brighten dark circles instantly. There are 4 color correcting light scattering shades in this range, designed to neutralize the cool tones of dark circles, giving you a bright-eyed, well-rested look, and I would definitely agree with that. This has a 100% mineral SPF 41 sun protection. So this is sensitive eyes approved. 100% mineral sunscreen provides high performance sun protection to prevent skin aging around the eyes. If you are not able to bring your everyday SPF up underneath your eyes and onto your lids, you have to try to find something to protect that area. As someone who can typically use most SPFs on my lid or up to, you know, my lash line here, as long as they're mineral, chemical sunscreens can make my eyes a little bit watery, but mineral sunscreens typically don't. So for me, this has been a really great fit. I'm wearing it on my lid. You'll see it in the demo, as well as underneath my eyes all the way up to the lash line. No irritation. Like, my eyes aren't red, they're not inflamed, they're not angry. So I would say definitely worth checking this out if you typically struggle with finding an SPF to use in that sensitive eye area. This is supposed to smooth away puffy eyes and fine lines. A special cooling metal applicator massages away the look of puffiness, while the custom formula hydrates and visibly firms fine lines. So anyway, those are some of the, like, I guess, main points here. In terms of the ingredients that you are getting in this formulation, this is a zinc oxide and titanium dioxide SPF, so high protection minerals to physically block the sun's rays. The percentages here, let's discuss those. So zinc oxide is 12%, titanium dioxide is 10%. There is watermelon, apple, and lentil fruit extract in here. These help to deliver hydration and visibly plump fine lines and wrinkles. Snow mushroom, a multifunctional fungi to replenish and boost dry and deflated skin. There is Botanicil SP 110S. I don't know what this is, but I guess it is a light scattering and optical blurring silica microsphere to mattify and conceal fine lines. I don't think that I've ever seen that ingredient before, but great. I mean, wonderful. Peptides, love me some peptides. So you're getting some really great ingredients in here. Peptides are a potent blend of amino acids that are going to help fight the signs of aging and visibly reduce wrinkle depth. There's ceramides in here. These are lipid molecules that help to repair, soften, and lock moisture into the skin's barrier. You can definitely check out the remainder of the ingredients in the link in the description box down below. If you'd like to read the full ingredient list, it's listed down there. So anyway, I do myself put an eye cream on prior to applying this. I find that that works best for me. I did think that when I used this on its own, it didn't blend into my skin quite as well. But also I have been bringing my tretinoin up a little bit further. So I just needed some extra hydration in that area. So yeah, for me, it works best in combination with an eye cream in the morning. But honestly, if I wasn't doing the tretinoin up a little bit further, I think I could totally get away with not using an eye cream, because I do think this has some great hydrating ingredients in it. So in terms of the benefits that I'm seeing here, first of all, it doesn't irritate my eyes at all. I bring it all the way up to the lower lash line and onto my lid. Doesn't sting, doesn't burn, it doesn't move. So it doesn't like melt throughout the day and run into my eyes. It gives me obviously really great sun protection, which I am a huge fan of. And it doesn't crease. There's no creasing, nothing at all. So this has been working great for me, you guys. I am someone who doesn't really use a lot of correctors or concealers underneath my under eye area normally, because I just don't think that I need it. I'm bringing the tretinoin up a little bit further to, you know, help keep this area as, I guess, wrinkle-free as long as possible. I've been pretty lucky in that most of my, you know, wrinkles and stuff that I've gotten have been on my forehead. Obviously, I get some tox in there a few times a year to help smooth those out, but I don't get tox anywhere else on my face. So I'm just using skincare to kind of keep this area of my face looking as good as possible. But I want to quickly show you guys the different colors, and then we will get into the demo here. So this is the Fair. This is the shade that is the lightest in the range. It is the one that works the best for me. I'm just going to show you guys some pretty good sized swatches here so that you can see the color. And this applicator, this like gold metal applicator, really is quite soothing and cooling on the skin. I don't really use this to blend the product in. I just use it to tap it on, and then I use my fingers to blend it in. This here is the medium. So let's go ahead and get a swatch of the medium. And then here is the tan. The tan is way, way too dark for me. By the way, I do have people in my life who I'm going to disinfect the tops of these. I have clean hands and everything, but I do know people that, sorry, this is the Fair, this is the medium. The medium and the tan, way too dark for me. I have people in my life who have deeper, darker skin tones, so I think they'll be able to get some use out of these. So I'll be passing these along to my friends who can get some use out of those. But here are the colors. So Fair, medium, and tan, and then obviously there is a like deep dark option, so I don't have that one to show you, but this at least gives you a sense of on a very fair skin what this color range here looks like. So anyway, I really like this formula, you guys. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the demo, and then okay, so I already have the Luminous Under Eye Corrector on my right eye over here so that you can kind of see the difference in terms of just the brightening effect. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Fair, that's medium, the Fair, and I'm just gonna dot the product underneath my eyes, 2, 3. And then I also, ooh, I think that's probably too much. That first dot has quite a bit of product in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of that big dot there and put that up on my eyelid. There we go. And then I like to use my middle finger, and I'm just gonna blend that into the skin. all around this like orbital bone here. Sorry, let me just get that product off of there. It works a little bit better with my right hand. This does not cause any stinging on my lids at all. In fact, it feels kind of hydrating on my eyelid area. Feels nice. So just continue to tap that in until you get a nice even coverage. I did already take my regular SPF and run that through my eyebrows. This, I think, would cover up my micro shading a little bit too much, so I prefer to use my Paula's Choice for my eyebrows. And there you have it. Just a really nice brightened effect underneath the eyes. It really does work like a concealer for me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys, you know, how this turned out. All right, so I finished the rest of my makeup, dried my hair. Here I am. I wanted to give you guys one last look at what this under eye corrector looks like with makeup over top. I exclusively wear powder foundation. Laura Geller Balance and Brighten is my powder foundation of choice. I wear the color Fair. I do bring it up all the way underneath my eyes here. So the powder is sitting over top of the eye corrector, and look at how good it looks. I really think this does a beautiful job of actually brightening my under eye area. And I guess, you know, that's a nice bonus, but I'm getting some really great SPF protection as well. This does not irritate my lids. You saw me applying it to my lids. I just think this is a really great product from Dermatology. It wears well throughout the day as well, like I mentioned earlier. So yeah, I don't know. If you are in the market for something new in terms of an under eye corrector, I feel like this one provides a pretty good amount of coverage. I don't know how it would do if you have a significant amount of discoloration underneath your eyes, but I can tell you that for me, with no discoloration, I feel like it just brightens the whole area up in a way that I didn't even think that it needed to be brightened, but I actually really like the way that it looks. I think it makes my eyes pop a little bit more. So yeah, I think this is a fantastic product. It doesn't crease throughout the day. It wears really beautifully. And I'm getting that additional SPF, which I think is so important. And I really like the color match of this to my skin way more than the Color Science. You know, the Color Science, I was able to kind of like make it work, but it was never like the best color match for me. This Fair, I think, is like the absolute perfect color match for me. You guys, I love it. Anyway, if you are at all in the market, this is definitely one worth checking out. Like I mentioned, you can use my discount code and save at least 20% on this. If you have something that you're using already, finish using that. Like, you don't need to buy anything new right now if you don't need it. But in the future, if you are looking to add some SPF to that delicate under eye area and you want something that's not going to irritate that area, something that's going to give you a good amount of coverage, and more importantly is going to give you great protection, I think this is one worth checking out for sure. So anyway, you guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Let me know what your personal favorite color corrector is, but I think I found mine, even though I didn't even think I needed it. But yeah, I love it. Anyway, thanks Dermatology. I'm gonna keep using this. You'll be seeing probably many of these in my empties in the future. So, all right, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.